Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install Minecraft Bedrock Edition on any Linux distro. We'll go over on installing the game, adding the drivers and patches required to have a smooth gaming experience. Are you ready to start playing cross-platform? Let's begin. In order to play Minecraft Bedrock Edition, we're going to be installing a launcher that will let us play basically like a Minecraft client that's natively supported on Ubuntu or any distro for that matter. So to first start, we're going to be going to a website that has all the documentation available for us. This link will be available in the video description down below. So here's the website, and it basically has everything that we need. And it's pretty straightforward as well. So since I'm using Ubuntu 18.04, we'll be adding this code right here. So to install it, just open up the terminal. And we're just going to basically copy and paste. And these two here. And the last one. For the next step, we're going to be installing drivers that will support a 32-bit system. So most likely all of us are probably using a 64-bit computer, but these packages are actually required for the game to launch. So it's actually not this snippet right here, because I personally tried it and the game still crashed. It's actually this piece of code right here that that we need to install. So we'll just type in sudo apt install and then just paste it in. So as of now, our game will actually launch and it'll work, but we're missing one more code. We're actually, if you try to play the game right now, there's not going to be any audio because we're missing those drivers. So to install those, we're just gonna head on over to the troubleshooting tab right here, and let's see, I think I forgot where it was, and we're just gonna click on the audio. It should bring us to this section right here. So it gives us different distros of packages to install. Since this is Ubuntu, we're going to be using these two. So just install these. And from these two packages, we should have audio inside Minecraft. Once finished, now you'll be able to play the game without any problem. So let's find the application. It should be right here, Minecraft Bedrock. So once the game opens, you actually won't get this screen. If this is your first time installing on your laptop or PC, it's actually going to prompt you to sign in to Google Play, and you actually have to sign in since it's actually going to try to verify if you actually own the game. So once you sign in, you can change the profile and whatnot, and just optimize it for your hardware requirements. So after all that's done, you can finally just click play, and the game should be able to load. So once that's loaded, you'll see that your character should load up. But again, your first time, it should probably be Steve with the default name. And to show you that this works, we're just going to play. Let's create a new world. Create. As you can see, we're actually playing on Linux. So yeah, it actually works really well. And if you have people playing on their phones, they can actually join your world and you can play cross-platform. And that's about it. So thank you for watching the video. I'll be making more videos soon. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. I'll talk to you later. Peace.